is a drawing process that combines psychology and art. The technique is said to link your conscious and subconscious mind and create new neural pathways. It was developed by Russian psychologist, creative entrepreneur, and architect Pavel Piskarev. Yeah, in 2014. The best part about this drawing technique is it does not require you to have any drawing skills whatsoever. This is a matter of releasing whatever trapped feelings that you may have within you and scribbling along. And it's kind of cool that it will be resembling what your neurons do, what they look like, which is kind of interesting. Without further ado, let's get into this. So to create your neuropathic art, what you're going to need is a sheet of paper or a sketch pad, whatever type of item that you want to use, that's what you're going to use. I am using this 8.5 by 11 printer paper. What you can also do is tape your paper down so that it reduces movement. But for me, I don't mind. I'm just gonna go ahead and just let it do what it do. What you're gonna do first is think about something you want to release. Think about a pain, anger, stress, anxiety, whatever that thing is that you're feeling you want to release. Go ahead and think about that in this moment and write it down. I'm gonna use a pencil for this so that it doesn't bleed through my drawing. Then you're gonna flip over the page, and with that in mind, we are going to draw one long continuous scribble using our marker or the medium in which you decide to use. Take a moment and reestablish in your heart and mind what it is you wrote on that paper, and just let your hands move. This is not supposed to be perfect. We are scribbling. This is the removal. This is the release. This is the extraction of that trapped energy, of that trapped feeling, of that trapped emotion within you, within me. Supposedly this pen marker thing says it's no dry, but technically you're seeing all this dry spots, so I'm gonna go ahead and start over. Take two. I'm using a purple marker, and hopefully this does not dry out at So this is my scribbles. This is where we are. And you will notice where my hands picked up, I'm going to just close the loop. In this point, all these sharp edges, we're gonna take the moment to smooth it out. Let this be a healing process. So let's go ahead and smooth these sections out. Wherever there is a corner, we're going to smooth it out. Let me show you what that looks like. Pay attention to your body and what it's doing in this moment. This does not have to be perfect. Just have to be you. Before I add color, I kind of want to add more lines because I don't want to have all this blank space. Now that we have our baseline complete, it's time to add some color. These are the colors that are speaking to me right now. So these are the colors that I'm going to use.